Make a great choice today with the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.